Let's be real for a second about learning to code. Why is it that so many of us start out super excited and then we just stop? Well, I've been thinking a lot about that, and I think I've cracked it. And I've put together a crazy 365-day plan to solve it once and for all.
Does this sound familiar? It's a cycle I've seen a million times. You get this burst of motivation, you decide, I'm going to learn to code. You start, you hit a wall, get confused, and then, poof, you quit. Honestly, I was just so tired of seeing that happen.
So I decided to do something about it. I made a huge commitment. I am going to code every single day for a full 365 days. No days off, no excuses. And the best part? I'm taking you along for the entire ride. The wins, the struggles, all of it. Yep, 365. That's the plan. A whole year dedicated to building a real-world coding education from scratch, together. This isn't going to be some polished, perfect course. This is the real, honest journey you've been waiting for.
So what does this actually mean for you? Well, it's pretty simple. Every single day, you're going to get two things from me. First, a super quick 60-second short that boils down one key idea. And second, a full-on, deep dive video where I walk you through exactly what I built and learned that day.
So what are you going to get out of this? A lot. We're talking mastering Python fundamentals, learning how to use AI tools to make you way more productive. We're going to build actual real-world projects you can show off. But honestly, the most important thing, you're finally going to learn how to think like a programmer.
And this right here is the secret sauce. Look, we are done with learning harder, the old way where you just get stuck and frustrated. It is time to learn smarter. We're going to use powerful AI tools to accelerate the whole journey. So, what do you say? If you have ever wanted to learn to code but didn't know where to start, or maybe you've tried before and it just didn't stick, this is it. This is your fresh start. Let's do this together. Let's learn and build together. Your 365-day journey starts right now.